Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about selection tools in Photoshop. Okay, for this one, drag this toolbar, see here, quick selection tool and do a right click, magic wand tool. There are two tools for selection tool, quick selection and magic wand. Okay, the name itself, it is telling selection, means selecting in the image. Either we have to select a background, we can select, or whether we have to select, we can select a specified path, we can select. Okay, now let's see. First I will show magic wand tool. We will discuss about magic wand tool. Magic wand tool is the purpose of the selection of the background unique color. Okay, now the background color is white. Okay, I have selected uh, some parts missed for selection. To add that parts, click this option, add it to selection. Okay, I am adding those. Even small tiny parts also you can add. And add. Okay, to increase the brush size, uh, we need to click the right bracket. To decrease the size of the brush, you need to click left bracket. Okay, now I have selected this part also, small tiny part. Now now uh, now if you want to change the background color, click Alt backspace. See, it got changed. Okay, now to deselect the selection, Ctrl D. Okay, so this is the purpose of magic wand tool. Wherever the area which is having a unique color, we can select. Okay, for example, I have selected this area. Other part of this flower is not selected. Why? Because they are in a different color. Okay, now I am changing the color of this flower. Control backspace. See, it means wherever you selected, if the color is unique at that particular place, it will change the color. Okay, Control Z, Alt, Control Z, Alt to back, Control D to deselect. Okay, fine. Now see here, by using same magic wand tool, I am going to select this area. See how it is, means the color is not unique. You can't use this tool here. At the same time, we have one more tool, that is quick selection. Okay, now Control D. If you want only this particular area, then you need to change a background. Okay, just select what you want of the image. Okay, if you don't want to select this area, just click Alt and drag it. It will select as a specified area, or you can click here also. This is add to selection, this is subtract from selection. Okay, if you want to increase the brush size, do click bracket, right bracket. If you want to decrease the brush size, click left bracket. Okay, fine. Now add here, we are missing this part. guys. Click out. Okay. Upward, right? Now, okay. We are refining the image. Smart radius. I'm putting smart radius as 1 and feather 1. Now select. See, if you want to change the background color and bring this here. Done. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.